On king, job king, young rich, murder. Yeah, I feel on my mind, money for my mind, money for my mind.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl, Mishi Wang, and if you're new here, then welcome. Join the family, smash that subscribe button down below and that like button, okay? Alright, so today I'll be doing a Valentine's Day makeup look, and it's a very simple, natural looking makeup look. The only thing is that I added some rhinestones to the look to give it that like Valentine vibe. Alright, so I start off, I did my eyebrows already, and I have some eyebrow tutorials up on my channel, so if you're new here and you haven't seen them, then you can check those out. But I primed my eyes with some concealer today, and I'm just adding some brown all over my eyelid. I'm using my LA Colors contour palette, and I'm using my contour shade to warm up my eyes, and that's the only thing that I'll be putting on my eyes in terms of color. Alright, so now I am putting some lash glue which would be the adhesive today for the rhinestones. Okay, so I'm now adding these rhinestones, guys, and I use a tweezer to apply them. I put some glue on the tip of the tweezer. I explained this in my last video, so if you haven't checked out that video, I did some rhinestones in my makeup look as well, so you could check that out too. Alright, so guys, I add some glue to the tip of the tweezer, and that gets the rhinestones to stick to the tweezer, and then just apply them to the lid. Whenever you're trying to apply the rhinestones to your lids and it's not applying, then it simply means that your lid needs more glue on it so the rhinestones can stick. So that's all I'm doing. There's no particular way in which you add your rhinestones. You just add them to your liking. Well, that's for this look, so I'm just adding different shapes and sizes to give it that variation to my lids. Okay, so I'm just taking out some rhinestones and adding. It's kind of tedious, so of course I speed it up a little bit, and I am done with both eyes. Right here you see me kind of stretching my lid because I'm using a lash glue. It kind of have my lid stuck in together a little bit, so you will find that when you're doing your look, that your eyelid probably stick together a little bit. So that's all I was doing. I maintain my foundation routine. I'm using my Maybelline Superstay foundation and my Maybelline concealer for my highlights. Today for my contour, it's a simple look, so I'm not doing any cream contour today. I'll be doing a powder contour, and I'll be using that same contour shade that you saw me applying to my eyes earlier to do my contour.
Ask the question, then you said it. Always saying things you're regretting. Can't erase the steps we've taken. Can't go back to the time and place we met. I was so upset, but you made it all better. Now it's messing with my head, yeah. We don't say goodbye the best. I still feel your ghost inside my chest. No, we didn't learn our lesson, but if you want, can we try again? Oh yeah, try again. Push the pedal to the pavement. I was dreaming that we'd make it. In the rearview, our reflection is a stranger to the time and place we met. I was so upset, but you made it all better. Now it's messing with my head, yeah. We don't say goodbye the best. I still feel ghosts inside my chest. No, we didn't learn our lesson.
Okay, so I've done my contouring and I've set my highlights. I am now adding some, well, I'm using my eyeshadow palette. I'm using that kind of reddish peachish color from my eyeshadow palette for my blush today. That's all I'm doing, adding that color to my cheeks to kind of give my face that rosy look. I'm adding black in my waterline today. That's what I'm doing right now, and I am going to apply my lashes. I was clipping the ends of my lashes off, and in this look I tried to use them for the ends that I'd cut off to add some volume to my bottom lashes, but I didn't like them. You'll see later on. I'm now removing my setting powder from my face and getting ready to set because I'm almost done with this look. This is just a makeup tutorial, okay? So it's not a get ready with me. I'm not doing my hair or anything. So if you see my hair looking not the neatest, then that is the reason. Alright, so guys, that is how the lash was looking after applying that. It was just taken away from the look for me. I didn't want that vibe for the look, you know, that is kind of like dramatic. I just wanted this look to be subtle, like it's Valentine's Day. So I removed the bottom lash. And yes, I finally now remember to get a mascara. But here I didn't have a mascara, did I? No, so there was nothing on my bottom lashes in this look. I'm now applying my highlighter, and I guess that's the end of this. Alright guys, so here goes my finished look. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you, girl.
Ask the question, then you said it. Always saying things you're regretting.